outlook of the market for cryptocurrencies, the 1st of March. I'll start here with the total market cap, and as you can see, the market cap since the turn of the year, which you'd expect, has had an increase. That also correlates because across all the other cryptos, you'll see that this year we've started to see some bullishness. So an increase in volume correlates with bullishness. More volume coming in, more buyers cause price to increase. So this is the total market cap. We're currently sitting here at 241 billion. You can see the past couple of weeks we reached a peak at around 300 and we've had a pullback now respecting this 235 billion level. So at this point, bit of a deeper retracement. Would have ideally liked to see it reject around this 50 EMA, however, not to worry. For now, there's some bullish divergence here. You can see the MACD level. You draw a line here, you'll see that it's slanted to the upside, which means that there's bullish divergence. So as long as it holds this support, I'd like to see it back to these previous highs, if not break them, for further confirmation of this bullish trend. If it breaks here, then potentially bearish bias I would favour. But at this point, it's holding the support. So let's see what happens over the next week. Now this is market cap excluding Bitcoin, which you'll see is very much the same. Once again, since the turn of the year, this bullish movement, increase in volume, and now it's pulled back, respecting around 82 billion level. So same again, like to see it push back to the upside and break this high. Otherwise, if it breaks lower and then retests and continues, once again, that would be a sign that the altcoins could potentially go back bearish. You can see here on a weekly chart that volume has been respecting this trend line. So a break above that, got some clear room to the upside. So I'd really like to see a break of that. Now we'll go here and move on to the main majors. So first we have Bitcoin. Once again, how similar is that to what the volume chart's showing? Pretty much exactly the same. Break up since the turn of the year, pull back, sitting below 50 EMA. Weekly time frame, however, still above this support level. Still hasn't broken back below the weekly 50, and the monthly you can see still bullish. So no reason to be having a bearish bias at this point. Ethereum, same thing. This one's probably the best, one of the best crypto charts, as it on the daily has not broken below this 50, as you can see. Same thing now, turn of the year, bullishness, pullback, bullish divergence. All right, weekly bullish above this 50, monthly same thing, above the 50 EMA. XRP, turn of the year, you've seen had this bullish movement again, but like Bitcoin and a lot of the others, it's had a deeper retracement, still respecting this ascending trend line, bullish divergence, and respecting the 0.75 Fibonacci. So as long as it holds there, I'd like to see it push back up to the highs, and ideally continue bullish, a break of that high to continue further, maybe up to around 50 cents. But if it retests here, rejects, then looking to go short, because you can see that it respected this weekly 50 here, push back down, and the monthly close last month of February with this bearish high test rejecting the 20 EMA. Also in our favour, we have this potential inverse head and shoulders, which at the end of a bearish run is a bullish signal, and you can also see bullish divergence there on a weekly chart. Now next, Litecoin, and all of these are very similar. Bullish, breakthrough, didn't respect the daily, bit of a deeper retracement. Close out with this bearish high test. IOTA, same thing. Bullish since the turn of the year, deep retracement, rejected this 50. What others should we look at here? NEO, same thing, deeper retracement. So interesting times. We've seen some bullish wave ones. Wave twos have happened. Some deeper retracements than others, but when you look at the volume combined with those factors, things are still looking bullish, but we can't be 100% sure because on a lot of the levels, a lot of the charts rather, we've had deeper retracements. So I want to see further bullish legs to confirm this bullishness. If it fails to break out and continue bullish, then potential further downside can be expected. So let's wait to see what the upcoming weeks have in store for us. Thanks, guys. That's all from me.